Okay, so in this short video I will be showing to you guys how to disable the automatic repair function like altogether on these newer operating systems like Windows 10 or 11. I think this has become a lot more annoying since maybe like Windows 8 or so. So it can be actually pretty worthwhile to disable the automatic repair like trigger on these new operating systems when you do like very extensive overclocking, especially memory overclocking, which could corrupt the entire operating system. So if you get enough of crashes like blue screens of death, if it triggers the automatic repair function on Windows boot, and if it starts to attempt some repairs on the boot sector, it could actually corrupt the entire operating system like accidentally, and then you cannot boot into the operating system anymore. So it's actually pretty handy to disable the automatic repair function altogether. So how do we do it? So just go to the Windows button, so the Start menu, and select the Run feature from Windows. And here we type in cmd.exe, so that means command prompt pretty much. And you should have administrator privileges when you start command prompt, so you can do it this way as well. So run as administrator, and here we type in bcdedit. So this is the same command we use to enable or disable the high precision event timer, for example. So we hit enter, and here we have to mark down the identifier under the Windows bootloader part over here. So it's this current over here with these markings at each end. I don't know how to say them in English, but it doesn't really matter. So we just want to copy this. So we highlight it and we press Ctrl and C to copy it. And here we type in to disable the automatic repair function bcd, so bcdedit /set, and then we copy paste, or we paste the identifier part, so it's current in my use case. So Ctrl and V, and we press space, and recovery enabled no. So you put the recovery enabled in one single word, so no space in between, and we get the operation completed successfully. And now the only thing we have to do is just reboot the whole operating system, and it's pretty much set as we want it. So definitely use these steps. So if you find the Windows automatic repair function quite annoying, you can easily disable it with command prompt. Just make sure the command prompt has been opened with administrator privileges whenever you do any kind of like Windows root level setting changes. So definitely use these steps, and give me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching one of my videos once again, and I will see you on the next one.